Lesson 2.4, Variables and Equations. Equation. A mathematical sentence formed by placing an equal sign between two expressions. Solution of an equation. A number that produces a true statement when it is substituted for the variable. Solving an equation. Finding all solutions of an equation is called solving the equation. Example 1. Writing verbal sentences as equations. The sum of x and 4 is 8. Remember, the sum of means you're adding, and where do you put that adding? Right where the and is. Bring down the variable, bring down the 4. What does the word is mean? Is means equals 8. X plus 4 equals 8. The difference of is subtraction. Again, look for the and. Then bring down the numbers and variables. There's the is. Bring down the 13. You have 7 minus y equals 13. The product of means multiplication. Find the and put your multiplication. Bring down negative 2. Bring down p equals 24. Negative 2 times p equals 24. The quotient of is dividing. So here's going to be our division sign, which is a fraction bar. Bring down n, bring down 3. That equals 5. And again, that would mean that the n is in the numerator, 3 is in the denominator. Example 2. Tell whether 7 or 8 is a solution of x minus 3 equals 5. So we are going to substitute 7 in for x. So instead of x minus 3, it is now going to be 7 minus 3. Does that equal 5? Well, 7 minus 3 is 4, so it does not equal 5. Let's just quickly look at these symbols. This one is an equal sign with a question mark. It means, does it equal? Equal sign with a question mark. The one that is an equal sign with a cross through it, line through it, that means does not equal. Does not equal. So, because 7 minus 3 is 4, it does not equal 5. It is not a solution. And you can even just write no. How about 8? If we substitute 8 in for x, 8 minus 3, is that equal to 5? Well, it is 5, so it is equal to 5. It is a solution. At this point, please complete 1, 2, and 3. Write the verbal sentence as an equation. Pause the video. Number 1, the sum of means adding. There's the and. X plus 7 is equals 12. X plus 7 equals 12. Quotient of means division. Bring down the n, which would be in the numerator. 4 in the denominator equals 16. Number 3, tell whether 8 or 10 is the solution. Well, let's substitute in 8. I know 8 minus 4 is 4, so it does not equal 6. Let's put in 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and it does equal 6, so 10 is a solution. 8 is not a solution, 10 is. Example 3, solving equations using mental math. X plus 4 equals 7. You want to say to yourself, what number? So when you see this variable, you say to yourself, what number, plus 4 equals 7? Well, so think about it. What number plus 4 equals 7? The solution is 3. because, and you can check, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Number 12. Number B, letter B. 12 minus what number equals 5? 12 minus what number equals 5? Well, think about if I have 12 and I subtract the number, what will equal 5? 7. Because 12 minus 7 equals 5. And to solve these, sometimes you just have to do some guessing and checking. Okay, always check your work just to make sure it's right. Some people accidentally think, well, I can just add 5 plus 12, and that's 17. Well, 12 minus 17 is not going to get you 5, so that does not check out. Part C. 18 equals 3 times what number? Well, 3 times 6 equals 18, and you can check it because you know 3 times 6 is 18. Part D. What number divided by 4 equals negative 5? Has to be bigger than 4. Has to be a negative. Negative 20 divided by 4 equals negative 5. Please pause the video and solve these equations using mental math. Number 4. What number minus 8 equals 10? Well, I know that in order to get to 10 and I'm subtracting 8, this has to be bigger than 8. And I think it's going to be 18. Check your work. 18 minus 8, yep, that's 10. So that's your answer. 5. 24 equals 4 times what number? Well, I know 4 times 6 is 24, so 6 is my answer. What number divided by 3 equals 9? (27) divided by 3 is going to equal 9. Your answer is 27.